friends, it's Amber. Happy New Year to everybody. I hope you all had a wonderful holiday. I hope that you were able to relax a little bit and get some crafting in and family time. And I just hope everyone's doing well. So I know it's a little bit, kind of late January, and I'm posting my first video of 2019. So I really want to thank everybody for coming back to my channel, and I want to also welcome my new subbies. Thank you so much. I hope that you decide to stick around. It's going to be a really fun year of paper crafting tutorials and all kinds of fun stuff and surprises. So in this video, I wanted to kind of kick off the new year with a kind of Happy New Year giveaway. So I am absolutely in love with the whole galaxy style, like the moons and the stars and like the sparkle and the gold. I just absolutely love that style. So I'm going to be giving away all these goodies. So as I'm showing you the goodies here, let's go ahead and just chat for a little bit. Kind of the things that I'm showing you are pretty self-explanatory. So just go ahead and enjoy watching me show you all the goodies that you can win in this giveaway. And we can kind of go ahead and chit chat. So I'm really excited this year because I've got a lot of tutorials and fun things planned, and I also had a couple of surprise goodies planned. So I'm really this month kind of really into my planner, and I have a couple different planners, and I'm going to be doing some videos to share those with you. And it's kind of a way to look at a planner in a different way if you're not really a quote planner person. I have some really fun videos to show you that you don't have to be a planner person to love your planner. So anyways, I've got some of those coming up, and I've got some super fun Valentine videos coming out. Valentines are like some of my favorite things to craft because you can use all the pretty colors, and it's just kind of crafting for no reason type of thing. So I really like that. But anyways, I'm going to continue here showing you what you're going to win in this giveaway. So as you can see, it's kind of like the galaxy theme with the stardust, and it's just so pretty. I love all the colors and the sparkle. You're even going to get, all the stuff I'm showing you, plus that 12 by 12 paper pad there. So just keep enjoying watching what you could win in this giveaway. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to link below all the rules and everything, but we can also go through them here. So this one is going to be open internationally to US, international. All subbies are eligible to enter the giveaway. The rules are simple. All you have to do is be a subscriber of mine. Make sure that you like this video, so give it a thumbs up. And all I ask is that you comment below telling me what you would most like to see on my channel this year when it comes to my crafting. So like specifically, like, do you want to see altered journals? Do you want to see plan with me's? Do you want to see more tutorials on mini albums? Do you want to see pocket letters? And you can name, several. I don't care how many you name, but just at least name one thing that you would like to see me do on my channel this year, and it'll really help me out a lot. So that's all you have to do to enter the giveaway. Also, if you're not 18 or older, just make sure you have a parent's permission to enter. And again, these are all the prizes you're going to get. It's just kind of like a crafty package for me to use to say thank you for your incredible support. And this is just the beginning, you guys. I'm going to be doing several giveaways here and on my Instagram. So if you don't know my Instagram and you haven't followed me over there, here's my handle. And I'll also link it below. So go ahead and go follow me over there so you don't miss any of those giveaways. And I just want to thank you so much for all of your support in 2018. I seriously had so much fun, and I am just looking at this, YouTube in such a different way this year that I am just absolutely excited and just looking forward to all the content that I plan on putting out. And I'm going to definitely be coming back with some more videos, as I was saying, but I also want to do something a little different this year where I make a video sharing with you some of the channels that have really inspired me and really motivated me in my crafting. And I know I mention, if I get a project idea from somebody else, I do mention their channel every time, but I'm talking about channels that just are uplifting and inspiring, whether it's through their crafting or their words or just their genuine family that they share. I'm going to go ahead and do a video on that sometime in the next month, just to share so all of you can, have the opportunity to go check those channels out as well. So again, the giveaway rules are going to be listed below, and I hope that everybody is having a wonderful new year so far. I'm excited to see what 2019 has in store for us, and I'll catch you in my next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.